Looking to streamline your HubSpot forms and capture valuable data from your contacts automatically, even without them lifting a finger? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to pass contact property values through hidden form fields in HubSpot. By the end, you'll understand how to make your forms smarter and more personalized, so you can gather the right information behind the scenes and create a smoother experience for your contacts. Let's dive straight in. The best trick here is using HubSpot's pre-populate fields for returning visitors feature. This lets you automatically fill out hidden or any form fields with details from a contact's record, but only if they're a known visitor to your site. Why is this so powerful? Well, imagine someone who's already filled out a form on your site. The next time they stop by, you can have HubSpot slip their info right into hidden fields without asking them again. It's smart, unobtrusive, and lets you keep your forms short and sweet. Plus, it helps you build an accurate database without repeating questions. So how does HubSpot know who's a known visitor? It's all about tracking cookies and device history. If your contact previously submitted a form and accepted cookies on the same device, HubSpot can reference their contact record and automatically pre-populate the field values, including those that are set to be hidden. Now, these hidden fields don't show up to the user, but the values are submitted in the background. This is especially handy for things like passing segmentation data, lead source information, or a custom tag, without cluttering your form or risking accidental edits from your contacts. Setting this up is quite straightforward. First, log into your HubSpot account and head to the marketing section. From there, find Forms. This is your central hub for managing all the forms tied to your marketing efforts. You can either choose an existing form by hovering over it and clicking Edit, or you can build a new one if you're setting up a fresh campaign. Once you're in the form editor, look to the left panel for your options and click into the Settings tab. Sometimes it's easy to get lost with all the customization options, but remember, you're looking for the General tab, which manages foundational behaviors for your form. Here, you'll find the magical toggle, pre-populate fields for returning visitors. Go ahead and make sure this is turned on. Don't worry if you don't see immediate feedback. The change happens behind the scenes, and it's active as soon as you save your form. If you're wondering, what if my contact switches devices or clears cookies? In that case, HubSpot won't recognize them as returning visitors. The automatic pre-population won't happen. This feature relies on cookies being present. So it's not perfect in every scenario, but for most users who come back to your site from the same device, it works smoothly. Take a moment to save your changes once you've enabled the toggle and preview your form to double-check that your hidden fields are set up with the properties you want to capture. Hidden fields are a subtle but powerful way to gather context. Think of them like invisible note passers in a classroom. The user doesn't see them, but they help you stay organized on the back end. And that's it. With this setup, HubSpot forms can pass property values seamlessly via hidden fields for your known contacts, giving you richer, more accurate data without extra steps for your user. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share how you use hidden form fields in your business, drop a comment below. I always love hearing your ideas. For more actionable HubSpot tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.